What negative emotions are you likely to glorify?
Some people are very proud of their irritability or irritation or something like that. They like to be thought very hard. There is practically no negative emotion which you cannot enjoy, and that is the most difficult thing to realize. Really, some people get all their pleasures from negative emotions. Identification in relation to people takes a special form which is called, in this system, considering. But considering can be of two kinds: when we consider other people's feelings and when we consider our own. Chiefly, we consider our own feelings. We consider mostly in the sense that people somehow do not value us enough, or do not think about us enough, or are not careful enough about us. We find many words for that. This is a very important facet of identification, and it is very difficult to be free from it. Some people are fully in its power. In any case, it is important to observe considering. For me personally, in the beginning, the most interesting idea was that of self-remembering. I simply could not understand how people could miss such a thing. All European philosophy and psychology just missed this point. There are traces in older teachings, but they are so well disguised and placed between less important things that you cannot see the importance of the idea. When we try to keep all these things in mind and to observe ourselves, we come to the very definite conclusion that in the state of consciousness in which we are, with all this identification, considering negative emotions and absence of self-remembering, we are really asleep. We only imagine that we are awake. So when we try to remember ourselves, it means only one thing. We try to awake. And we do awake for a second, but then we fall asleep again. This is our state of being, so actually we are asleep. We can awake only if we correct many things in the machine, and if we work very persistently on this idea of awaking, and for a long time.